Welcome to BMS, where we care for healthcare. In this tutorial, we will cover maintenance topics for your Frimed cold chain unit. We will walk you through quick, easy procedures for replacing parts. Our goal is to help you keep your units running smoothly and ensure it never misses a beat. Are you ready? Then let's start. Rails, shelves, and drawers ensure safe storage for your specimens while experiencing daily use. But over time, they can wear or misalign. Replacing them keeps the structure reliable and ensures consistent cooling. The process is easy and requires no tools. For rails and shelves, simply pull out the shelf completely. Push the rails upward to release them. Proceed to installing the new rails. Install or replace the shelf. For the drawers, lift the drawer upward to detach it from the clips. Push up and remove the rails. Replace with new rails if needed. Install or replace the drawer. The door gasket is what keeps the cold air sealed inside your refrigerator and freezer. Over time, it can crack or lose flexibility. Regular inspection and replacement are key to maintaining proper temperature and energy efficiency. Maintenance is easy. Simply remove the old gasket from its place using your hands and install the new gasket. No tools are needed. Replacing the chamber temperature probe is essential to ensure accurate temperature monitoring and control. A faulty probe can cause incorrect readings and undetected temperature deviations, putting stored products at risk and compromising cold chain compliance. The process is straightforward and requires minimal tools: one screwdriver and one plastic strip. The replacement procedure is divided into two parts. Part 1. Operations performed from inside the chamber. Part 2. Operations performed from the rear of the unit. Part 1. Inside the chamber. Cut the plastic strip securing the probe to the aluminum box. Remove the shells and rails from the chamber. Unscrew the screws on the aluminum box to access the probe cable. Remove the aluminum box. Replace the probe and secure it using a new plastic strip. Reinstall and tighten the screws on the aluminum box. Secure the probe cable using a plastic stripe. Keep in mind, this should be done only once Part 2 is already finished. Part 2. Rear of the unit. Unscrew the 8 screws located on the upper rear side of the unit and remove the stainless steel bar to access the electronics box. Remove the electronics box from its position. Pull out the old probe cable. Open the electronics box and disconnect the probe wiring from the control board. Connect the new probe cables and securely fasten the terminals. Close the electronics box. Route the probe cable through the designated opening and secure it as previously described. Seal the cable entry point with putty and reinstall the electronics box in its original position. Reinstall the stainless steel bar and tighten the 8 screws. The rear stainless steel cover and lower panels are essential for protecting internal components, ensuring proper cable routing, and maintaining insulation integrity. Any damage or improper installation can compromise performance, safety, and long-term reliability, so both must always be kept in good condition and securely installed. Let's review how to properly do this vital maintenance. The replacement procedure requires only one screwdriver. Again, we will divide this procedure into two parts. Part 1, dealing with the back side of the unit, and Part 2, dealing with the front side. Part 1. Back side. Remove the screws on the lower back cover. Remove the damaged part, either the back panel or the stainless steel bar from the back of the unit using your hand. Install the new part. Tighten back the screws. Part 2. Front side. Remove the screws of the lower front panel. Clean the condenser grill with a soft brush. Replace the panel if needed. Tighten back the screws. To have access to the electronics box, just remove the screws from the top rear of the unit and remove the upper panel. Regular replacement of the recorder pen, paper, and battery is essential to ensure accurate, continuous temperature recording and data reliability. Worn pens, expired paper, or weak batteries can result in unreadable charts, missing records, or data loss, compromising traceability, compliance, and cold chain integrity. To do this, the steps are simple and easy to follow, and no tools are needed. You just have to open the chart recorder door, move up the pen, unsecure the pin in the center of the paper, remove the paper, and now you have access to the battery. Remove the old battery and install the new one. Put back the chart paper and resecure the center pin as shown in the video. Finally, lower the pen. To replace the pen, simply remove the front part of the pen and replace it with the new one. Correct replacement of parts ensures reliable performance, proper sealing, and long-term durability of the unit. Always follow the recommended steps and verify that all components are securely installed to maintain optimal operation and cold chain integrity.